30 plus business tools in one platform? Sounds too good to be true. Hey there, before we dive in, click that link in the description to grab your special lifetime deal on FlowyTeam. Let's talk about what you actually get for your money, because I was skeptical too. Most businesses are drowning in subscription fees. One tool for project management, another for HR, something else for your CRM. It adds up faster than streaming services. FlowyTeam combines over 30 business modules into one platform. We're talking OKRs, KPIs, project management with Gantt charts and Kanban boards, employee engagement tools, CRM, finance tracking, HR management, and even AI-powered tools. Now for the pricing bombshell, all of this is just $59, not monthly, not yearly. One payment, lifetime access for up to 10 users. That's 99% off the regular price of $9,000. I know I had to double-check that math too. Think about it. Instead of paying hundreds every month for separate tools, you get everything in one place for less than the cost of a nice dinner. Over 1,000 organizations across 90-plus countries have already jumped on this deal. So if you're ready to simplify your business tools and save a small fortune, click that link in the description for your lifetime deal. Your future self will thank you when you're not paying those subscription bills anymore. FlowyTeam, your all-in-one business solution.